Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter it, and thanks to Files app, you've got access to your categories, downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, and apps. Also, you can check your collections and internal storage. Then, you can use Nearby Share function to quickly send and receive files, and Clean function to clean junk files from the smartphone. Next, you can go to Menu and use Recycled Bin. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.